I choose UNF mainly because of the opportunities that they give, the scholarships, and the Bachelor. I choose the Bachelor of Science Biomedical Sciences mainly because I want to be a doctor in the future. For now, my favorite subject is chemistry. During the labs, we understand more the topics that we learn during the lectures. Like we practice certain activities that help us to understand better certain topics that may be difficult for us to understand. I will describe my professor really helpful. He's always asking if we need help or if we understand or if we need more practice of certain problems. Since I arrived, everyone has been really friendly and the friends here are like really multicultural and that's so good. I really enjoy that, to learn more about them, their languages, their culture. I think the schedule helps a lot to maintain a balance in our studies. We just have classes 3 days and the other 2 days we use them for study, homework, break, and the weekends, of course, with my friends. Thanks to my professors, it's been more easy to learn and understand the structure of the school, the classes. What makes UNF unique as a university, I think, is the way they evaluate the topics. Here, they evaluate in different ways: oral exams, written exams, presentations. 5 years from now, I see myself continuing my studies in a medical school. I actually want to be a surgeon because most of my family members have certain problems, medical problems that include surgeries. And I really do want to be part of that, understand that. Hi, my name is Danna and I'm a proud student at UNF and innovation flows here.